Castor oil, the magic elixir for your body. Castor oil, extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been a staple in traditional medicine and wellness practices for centuries. Renowned for its multitude of health benefits, castor oil serves as a versatile remedy for various ailments and beauty concerns. Nutritional composition: castor oil is primarily composed of ricinoleic acid, which makes up about 90% of its fatty acid profile. This unique compound is responsible for many of its therapeutic effects, including anti-inflammatory, analgesic, pain-relieving, and antimicrobial properties. Additionally, castor oil contains omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining optimal health and promoting skin and hair vitality. Health benefits: digestive support. Castor oil is well known for its effectiveness as a natural laxative. It stimulates the intestines, promoting peristalsis, the movement of the intestines, and facilitating bowel movements, making it useful for relieving occasional constipation. Its ability to stimulate the production of digestive juices can also aid in improving overall digestion. Anti-inflammatory effects: the ricinoleic acid in castor oil is recognized for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, and other inflammatory disorders. Regular topical application can help soothe swollen joints and alleviate discomfort. Skin care: castor oil is a popular ingredient in many skincare products due to its moisturizing capabilities. It penetrates the skin deeply, helping to hydrate and soften dry, rough skin. Its antimicrobial properties make it effective in treating acne by preventing bacterial growth and reducing inflammation. It can also aid in healing minor cuts, burns, and skin irritations due to its soothing and anti-inflammatory nature. Hair health: many people use castor oil to enhance hair growth and overall hair health. By massaging it into the scalp, castor oil can improve blood circulation, promote hair follicle health, and reduce dandruff. It adds moisture and shine to hair, making it a popular natural conditioner. Immune system boost: castor oil is believed to have immune-boosting properties, which may help the body fend off infections and illnesses. It can promote lymphatic drainage, assisting the body in eliminating toxins. Uses of castor oil: topical applications. Moisturizer: apply directly to areas of dry skin to lock in moisture and prevent cracking. Wound treatment: use castor oil on minor cuts and burns to promote faster healing and prevent infections. Acne treatment: dab a small amount on breakouts to reduce inflammation and promote healing. Hair care: scalp treatment: massage castor oil into the scalp to nourish hair follicles and promote growth. This treatment can also help alleviate dryness and flakiness. Deep conditioner: combine castor oil with other nourishing oils like coconut or olive oil for a powerful deep conditioning treatment that enhances shine and softness. Digestive aid: natural laxative. Castor oil can be taken in small doses to relieve constipation. It works by stimulating the intestines and promoting bowel movements. Therapeutic massage: use castor oil as a base for massage oil to relieve muscle tension, aches, and soreness. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent choice for post-workout recovery. Safety and precautions: while castor oil is generally safe for topical and occasional internal use, it's important to be aware of certain precautions. Pregnant individuals should avoid castor oil as it can stimulate contractions and potentially lead to premature labor. Allergic reactions: some individuals may experience allergies to castor oil. It's advisable to perform a patch test before widespread application. Dosage: when used as a laxative, it's crucial to adhere to recommended dosages, as excessive intake can lead to severe dehydration, abdominal cramps, and electrolyte imbalances. Castor oil is not just an ordinary oil, it's a potent elixir packed with numerous benefits for your body, skin, and hair. From promoting digestive health to enhancing your beauty routine, this versatile oil has earned its place in both traditional and modern wellness practices. Whether you're looking to relieve constipation, nourish your skin, or stimulate hair growth, castor oil offers a natural solution that stands the test of time. By incorporating this incredible oil into your daily routine, you may unlock its magic and discover the remarkable improvements it can bring to your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like,